Hey, it's Chris here. It's hot. It's summertime. We're out in the work shed. And being out in the work shed, what's that mean? Outdoor work, yard work. So, got that box in the mail. You already read the video title. You know what's in this box. So let's open it up. So stick around and stay tuned. So like I said, this is something I've been excited about getting. So let's get this box open. Wife already peeked at it, so let's get this tape untaped and see what we got here. Now while I'm doing this, I'll explain. I'm gonna play with that later. I like playing. I'll pop that stuff. Kid at heart, I guess. Here we go. This is the Saker cordless hedge trimmer and grass shear. There, you can see it that way as well. So, never been opened, brand new. You saw it coming out of the box, first time ever. Let's get this wrapped up like a kid in a Christmas day. We got a cordless hedge trimmer and a grass shear. Let's see what the box says. 2 types of heads for lawn shears and hedge trimmer. Quick switch designed for easy head replacement. Hedge trimmer suitable for landscaping shrub trimming, while the lawn trimmer is especially suitable for stone paths, corners, and other places where ordinary lawnmowers can't hit. Guess a weed eater can't either in that idea, but blades are made of SK5 steel, high quality, high carbon steel, and high hardness. Laser cutting process makes blades very sharp and durable. Handheld mini hedge trimmer weighs about 2.2 pounds or a kilogram for our friends up north that don't use Imperial. Easy to operate with one hand, easy to use for women and elderly, and is suitable for long working hours. 2 safety measures ensure reliable security of the hedge trimmer. Now that's a key thing. Switch lock, prevent accidental activation to protect your family. Machine with overheat protection, overcharge discharge protection, stable and reliable charging and running performance. Saker. We got a destructions. Here's our charger. We'll get to that in a minute here, I'm guessing. Did come with a 20 volt, 1.5 amp hour lithium battery. So, has a battery charge indicator. It says full charge. That's actually really cool. I don't have to worry about trying to charge it. Now that's interesting. Your charge port is in there just like that. I hope the cameras can pick that up. It's just basically plugs into the battery itself. So I'm guessing you don't have to worry about a base or anything. That seems like it is kind of a nice idea as long as these cords don't go bad. So I'm putting power right now. Put power right into it. And I have power in the workshop. I see a red indicator light. I'll have to get a picture of that here and show you guys later. So I'm just going to set that on charge. We'll top it off. Here is the hedge trimmer attachment. It has a plastic cover on it. Actually, it's kind of nice. Slides right off. And there she be. Slides back and forth. There's already rust on this. This is already somewhat rusty and dirty. It almost looks like it was used before. So let's put that back together here. So here it is. The piece de resistance, or whatever they call that. There's the box out of the way. So there's a button here, adjustable here. Okay, that's nice. Now this is the change. Okay, that's actually a really nice idea. I do like that. This is just unboxing here. I'm just my first impressions. Slides right down there and should snap on like a battery. Now I do notice that there's a gear set here. That gear set has to match up with the cog. So I think yeah, there it goes. It snapped. Then of course you can move it there. Push button up. Yeah. So you slide that up, safety, push the button, it turns on and off. Got a strap here. Okay. It's kind of cool. I'm going to unplug the battery. We'll stick the battery right in here. Okay. So the battery actually faces towards you. You can see where the battery power is. Let's take the cover off. As everything, before I turn this on, safety first. That's the key for everything, is safety. You want to make sure you're safe before anything happens. So I'm going to turn this on here. We're going to give this a shot. Push the push button forward. Does okay. It doesn't feel as powerful as I thought, but I mean, it is a 1.5 amp hour battery, so let's take and try the... So, of course, don't push the button to try to kick that around. You're going to have to move your cog a little bit to get that lined up. So it should... Okay. Okay. I see oil on everything. That's a good thing. So let's get you guys out of the area you're at right there, and we'll get you out here, and we're gonna give this a little bit of whirl around the house. I'll set you up in a couple spots, and we'll see how the grass clippings do. Then I'll have to take you guys somewhere else. I don't have any hedges here or shrubs, and we'll give that cutter a fire up. I've been running a Sacred 20 volt trimmer here on the grass, and this has been running for 15-20 minutes now. It's still full bars, and that was in the grass. So So there you have it. This is the Saker hedge trimmer, grass trimmer, and I've never trimmed hedges before. I've never trimmed shrubbery like this before. I mean, I have to say I don't have really much of a baseline for other stuff, but I can tell you this stuff is very overgrown. It's been growing for at least 5 years that I know of. It's never been trimmed back and did a really good job. Now, mind you, there were some bigger areas that it wasn't able to catch and cut right, but it did a really good job. So I think it would be something that is useful. It would be something that would be great for somebody that is maybe disabled or elderly, like they said, to use. I'm still at full power on the battery pack here. See, it's still full power. I'm really surprised at that. The only problem I have, and I'll have to come back up to show you, is when this battery pack came in, it was actually damaged. So I know whenever I unpacked it, you'll see in the very beginning of the video, I threw stuff around a little bit. I know this was wrapped in bubble wrap. I didn't do this, but I don't say this is something Saker did, but let's see if I can get behind the camera here and do a good show. Do a really good showing of it. You can see the crack right by my thumb. Now, I can take a little bit of glue. I have no problem with that. I'll glue that, but that's nothing on the company's fault. So, like I said, this was provided to me by Saker. Thank you very much for choosing me to test your product. I think it's a nice product. I will be doing a long-term review of it as well. So stick around for that. Keep an eye out. So if this video helped you out anyway, you know, throw a comment down below. Let us know. Subscribe if you can. We are doing reviews as well as other stuff as well. So we'll catch everybody later. Have a good one. God bless.